Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. Today we are going to solve a question of ordinary differential equation from CSIR NET November 2020. The question is from the topic linear system of differential equations. So without a delay, let's start. Question is, consider the solution y1, which is a column vector having element e to the power minus 3t, e to the power minus 3t, 0. And y2 is a column vector having element 0, e to the power minus 5t, e to the power minus 5t, to the homogeneous linear system of differential equation y dash t equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix having element minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6 into y of t. It is represented by star. Which of the following statements are true? Option 1. y1 and y2 form a basis for the set of all solution to star. Option 2. y1 and y2 are linearly independent but do not form a basis for the set of all solution to star. Option 3. There exists another solution y3 such that the set y1, y2, y3 form a basis for the set of all solution to star. Option 4. y1 and y2 are linearly dependent. In order to solve the question, we have to learn the following result. Consider the system of linear differential equation y dash equal to ay, where A is n cross n matrix and y dash is n cross 1 column vectors. If lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n are distinct eigenvalue of a matrix A and u1, u2 up to un are linearly independent eigenvectors respectively, then xi, which is equal to ui e to the power lambda ix, where I varies from 1 to n, are n linearly independent solution of given system of linear differential equations. Now given y1, which is a column vector having element e to the power minus 3t, e to the power minus 3t, 0, which is further written as e to the power minus 3t into a column vector having element 1, 1, 0. This implies lambda 1, which is minus 3, is an eigenvalue and this is the eigenvector. Now y2, which is a column vector having element 0, e to the power minus 5t, e to the power minus 5t, which is further written as e to the power minus 5t into a column vector having element 0, 1, 1. This implies minus 5 is another eigenvalue and this is the another eigenvector. Our solution of homogeneous linear system of differential equation y dash t, which is represented by y dash, is equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix having element minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6. This is represented by A into y of t, which is represented by y, and this system is represented by star. This implies minus 3 and minus 5 are the eigenvalue of A. Let lambda 3 be the third eigenvalue of A. This implies minus 3 minus 5 plus lambda 3 is minus 15. Why it is so? Because we know that the sum of eigenvalue of A is equal to trace of A. This implies the value of lambda 3 is minus 7. For lambda equal to minus 7, we have A plus 7i, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix having element 2, 2, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Now, by applying elementary row operation, we have to reduce the matrix into row echelon form. Now, this matrix is the required row reduced echelon form. Let u3 is a column vector having element a, b, c be the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue minus 7. Now, a plus 7i into u3 is equal to 0, which is further represented by this. This implies the value of a is 1. Value of b is 0 and value of c is 1. This is the eigenvector u3. Therefore, e to the power minus 7t into u3, which is equal to e to the power minus 7t into column vector having element 1, 0, 1, which is equal to a column vector having element e to the power minus 7t, 0, e to the power minus 7t. This is y3, be the solution of star. Now construct a matrix P whose columns are the solutions y1, y2 and y3. Now the determinant of P is 2 into e to the power minus 5t, which is not equal to 0. This implies y1, y2, y3 are linearly independent. Also, star is homogeneous. This implies any linear combination of y1, y2, y3 is also the solution of star. Therefore, y1, y2, y3 are the basis for the solution set of star. This implies option 3 is true. Also, the vector y1 cannot be written as a scalar multiple of the vector y2. This implies y1 and y2 are linearly independent. This implies option 4 is false. But y1 and y2 doesn't form the basis for the set of all solution to star because we need 3 solutions to generate all the solution of star. This implies option 1 is false and option 2 is true. Hence, options 2 and 3 are true. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.